We want to solve this equation for all real roots, and the equation is cube roots of 24 plus x plus a square root of 12 minus x equal to 6. We first established a condition for solution of this equation. The first term, the cube root, we don't have any condition on x because it is going to work out for any value of x. But the second term, a square root term, then we have 12 minus x has to be greater or equal to 0, or x is less than or equal to 12. So this would be the condition for the solution of this equation. Now, we change variable for the solution of this equation. We assume u is equal to cube root of 24 plus x, and v is a square root of 12 minus x. And we substitute this new variable back into our equation. So our equation is u plus v equal to 6, or v is equal to 6 minus u. We also know that u to the power of 3 is 24 plus x, and v squared is 12 minus x. So we add these two relationships together, and we find that u cubed plus v squared is equal to 24 plus x plus 12 minus x. And here x are going to be canceled, and we find u cubed plus v squared is 36. In order to have an equation in terms of u only, we substitute for v equal to 6 minus u back into this equation here. So here we have u cubed plus 6 minus u squared equal to 36. And this equation would be u cubed plus 36 u squared minus 12u equal to 36. And we can cancel 36 from both sides of this relationship. And we have u cubed plus u squared minus 12u equal to 0. This is a special case of a cubic polynomial. Finding the roots, we factor u, and we have u squared plus u minus 12 equal to 0. We have three different real roots for this equation. U is 0, so that's one of the root. U squared plus u minus 12 is 0, and here we can use the standard method of solving this second order equation, or we can look for numbers, two numbers that when you multiply them is minus 12, and when you add them it is 1. So in this case would be u plus 4 and u minus 3 equal to 0. And here u is minus 4 and u is 3. So we have three roots for this equation in terms of u. Now we know that u cubed is 24 plus x here. So let's write this equation. U cubed is 24 plus x. And we substitute for u 0 or minus 4 or 3. So first we substitute u as 0. Zero is equal to 24 plus x, and the value of x is minus 24. So that's one of the roots of this equation. U is minus 4, so we have minus 4 to the power of 3 equal to 24 plus x, and in this case x would be equal to 88, minus 88. And one time we set u as 3. So 3 to the power of 3 is 24 plus x. And u in this case would become 27 minus 24. So x would be 3. So these are the three roots of this equation, and we see that all these three roots, minus 24, minus 88, and 3 also satisfy our condition that x has to be less than 12. So these 3 roots are the valid roots of this equation here.